In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to Salesforce. This process is designed to streamline how you track and log email communications within your Salesforce environment, helping you maintain a clear and comprehensive record of interactions with your contacts. Let's begin by accessing the necessary settings in Salesforce. First, you need to navigate to the top right corner of the interface where you'll see a gear icon. This is the gateway to your setup options. Click on it and select Advanced Setup. This will bring you to a new interface with a range of options for customizing your Salesforce environment. Next, we'll locate the feature we're interested in, Email to Salesforce. In the setup interface, there's a very handy tool called the Quick Find box. This is located at the top of the sidebar on the left-hand side. Type Email to Salesforce into this box. The search is dynamic and should quickly narrow down the options for you. Once you've found Email to Salesforce in the results, go ahead and click on it to access its settings. Here, the first thing you want to do is enable the feature by checking the box labeled Active. It's crucial to ensure that this box is checked, as this activates the feature for your account. After you've checked the active box, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button, which is typically found at the bottom or top of the page. Saving these settings is essential to ensure that your configuration takes effect. With those basics in place, the next step is to configure personal settings. For this, click on your avatar, located in the top right corner of the screen, and choose Settings from the drop-down. Once inside Settings, focus on the sidebar on the left. You're looking for the Email section, expand it if necessary, and select My Email to Salesforce. In this section, you'll find your unique Email to Salesforce address. Copy this address because it will be essential for the next few steps. This is the email address that will allow Salesforce to log and track your communications automatically. Now that you have the email address, the next task is to integrate it with your email client, whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another service. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can manually add this email to Salesforce address to the BCC field whenever you send an email, or for more efficiency, you might want to automate this process. Many email clients allow you to create rules or automations to automatically BCC specific addresses. Set one up for your email to Salesforce address, ensuring that all your outbound communications are recorded in Salesforce without needing manual input each time you send an email. Following these steps, you should now have a seamless setup that logs all your email interactions in Salesforce, providing enhanced oversight and reporting capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.